Whoa. Those actually look really, really nice. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Great day. Today we're installing a Raptor style grill on the Ford Bronco wall track. Like, yes, I've done one before in the past, but the one I have on the Bronco currently was more of a custom look. That was because back when I bought my 21 Ford Bronco, there was no Raptor style grill lights that were available back then. So I had to actually make the ones that I have on there now. If you guys want to watch that video up here, they're actually on there, but the reason I like the ones I have on there now is because it blends in with the grill. You can almost not tell that the Bronco has them on there. Go ahead and open the door and show you guys when they come on. They look really nice, but like I said, I had to custom make these lights to work on the Ford Bronco. So yeah, when they do come on, they look really nice. But the kit that I have today, we are going to be doing, it's more of a plug and play, a lot easier than the one I installed, and it's actually really reasonable on Amazon. These are the lights. It comes with 5 lights. Now you can do 5 lights or you can do 3 lights depending on which ones you want. You don't have to plug all of them in. And like I said, it's all ready to go, and these basically just snap in from the front. All you gotta do is run the wires through the back. That's one reason why we have to remove the grill, is to run the wires in the back nice and neat so they're not just dangling on the bottom. But this will only work on the Badlands grill, the Wildshot grill, and the Everglades. This won't work on the base, the Big Bend, or the Black Diamond grills. Now it does come with the, I think I saw it in here, yes. So we do run a added fuse, so we can run these to the fuse block, and we have to tap into, I'm not sure exactly which fuse it's pointing to. We'll have to look up the wire diagram and exactly see what fuse that we are utilizing. You know what, I might also probably gonna just leave the ones I have there now and just run the new ones maybe on the lower section, and then I'll compare the two and see, leave it up to you guys. You guys tell me which ones look better. So let's go ahead and get started taking off the grill. All right, let's remove this top panel. All we gotta do is remove these plastic clips off the top. All right, don't know if you guys noticed, but I don't use my hood prop no more because I have the hood shocks, which come in really handy, and it opens up the hood a lot higher than the factory grill. Don't forget to disconnect your water and your front camera connector here from the front before we pull off the grill. Once we remove the 410mm bolts off the top, go ahead and just all right, so we're going to utilize the second row from the top. Well, since with the top row we already have the lights I use, we'll do 4 lights. So we'll skip 2, we'll do 1, skip 2, 2, skip 2, 3, skip 2, 4, and then it'll be 2 more. So that'll be perfect. That'll be even all the way across. To do 5 would be kind of awkward, kind of weird. So I don't think it'll look even enough. So we'll just do 4 along the top. We'll go ahead and unplug one and see about how well these snap into place in the grill. There's one. It's got these little prongs in the back, and all we gotta do is snap it into place. Like so. So that's how that one looks. This actually look pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and skip 2, and then we'll fill in every other one. In order to actually connect the connectors on the back of the lights, we need to get access behind this cover here, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks like they are Torx 25 bolts. So it's gonna be using these T25 bolts. There's gonna be 6 of them. All right, now that we have access to our harness, I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect the 5th one since we're not utilizing the 5th one, and we'll just connect our 5 lights. So the kit does come with a bag of zip ties, so we can go ahead and secure these lights back here so they're not just loose and hanging down. Now we can go ahead and install back our cover and put it all back together. All right, we got the grill just snapped into place. Now, originally this is the previous Raptor lights that I had on mine, and I had mine actually ran to the fuse here on this location. I don't remember exactly what this was. It might have been a PCM light fuse, but on the instructions for these lights, they want us to use what it looks like he's pointing to is this 10 fuse right there. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna go ahead and look in the owner's manual really quick and see what fuse they're trying to get us to use or utilize. So we need to go to, these Broncos don't have a manual, like a manual, like an actual book. These have it actually in the screen. So when you go to features, owner's manual, let's go to categories. Well, we can type it in here. Let's type in search fuses, fuses, identifying fuses under the hitbox. Okay, so number 25 looks like the blind spot information system, rear view, adaptive cruise control, driveline control modules. So what we're going to do is grab some needle nose pliers, or if this has a fuse puller, which I think it should have a fuse puller, it does not. Okay, so the fuse they want us to use is this one right here. It looks like a 10 amp fuse for the backup camera and reverse module. We're just going to remove it, and we're just going to add it basically to this harness here. It's going to be in line, so we're going to have a fuse for the lights and a fuse for the existing circuit in place. So we're going to go ahead and just basically add it here. We just plug this back in. Let's go ahead and turn it this way. And then all we're going to do is connect this to the positive side in here. And make sure it's nice and sealed. I'm just going to leave this in here for now. And I'm going to go ahead and connect our ground for the new lights. All right, we got our ground connected here, and let's go take a look at the lights, see if they come on. I'm gonna go ahead and maybe, what if I hit the unlock? No, I might need to start it. Let's go ahead and start it up. See if these lights come on. There you go. Whoa. Those actually look really, really nice, and they're nice and bright too. Wow, that was easy. All right. Let's pull off the plastic. Make it official. Wow, those are actually really bright. I'm curious to see how bright the ones I had on there are. But these actually look really nice. Yeah, these will actually look really nice. I'm curious to see what they look like compared to the ones I had. All right, so I went ahead and hooked up my lights, and now the new ones that I just hooked up, and let me know what you guys think. I actually like the new ones. So the problem that's been going on with my original ones that are hooked up is they've been starting to flicker I don't know if you can notice that one's flickering compared to the other ones, but the new ones, wow, I like that orange. It looks so much more noticeable than what I had before. Now I'm curious to see, it should turn on with the daytime running lights as well. It does look really, really nice. I'm gonna go with the new ones. I'm gonna have to remove the ones I had before, and I just like the way the new ones look. The ones I had before just look faded and old. Those new ones definitely stand out. All right, guys, so it's official. I'm definitely gonna be leaving the new ones that I have on. These are so much nicer than the original ones that I had on before. And these are just a lot brighter too. And you know what? I don't have to worry about anything else because these are actually, I think these look so much nicer than the previous ones. And I'm gonna go have to remove the grill again just to remove these old ones out and fix. The only thing I'm gonna have to do back here is also repair the wiring behind here, kind of just hide it away a little bit better. But I just wanted to do it really quick to kind of show you guys these lights and how easy these are to plug and play. Like I said, all you gotta do is remove the grill and run the wires, snap these in, connect the wires, and just hide the wires along here. And the nice thing about this new harness is, like, look, it's black, so it tucks away and it should hide away really, really nice. Like I said, I'm gonna go back and remove these old ones that I had. I'm not even gonna hook them up. I'm gonna take these away and throw them away because you know what, like I said, they're going out. And this one, it looks so much nicer. Like I said, if you want some of these lights, I'm gonna link these out down below if you're interested. These are only like $55 on Amazon. That's the great thing about these lights, is they're super cheap compared to anything out there that's available for these Ford Broncos. So if you guys are interested, I'm gonna go ahead and link these down below. If you guys found this video helpful, or if you guys have any questions, please like, please subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.